his tube and my tube are fucking stuck together, and he starts fucking drowning. His head is literally under like a bunch of moss from the river. This is barely the start of the trip and it's already dysfunctional as hell. These damn kids. We're gonna drive to Arizona and sweat our faces off, so
we're gonna drive to Arizona.
Yeah. Finally got to the damn hotel after like a billion hours. It's literally 2:09 a.m. My fucking mom was falling asleep while driving. Like, I asked her if she wanted to switch. She's like, no. And bro almost killed us on the freeway. But we finally made it. These kids get on my damn nerves. Here's the outfit that nobody saw because we were in the car the whole time. I did my makeup for actually no reason. I thought we were actually gonna get here before fucking midnight, but I was wrong. This is our room. I think I'm gonna sleep here. I don't know where the rest of the children are gonna sleep, but we have a sofa bed too. And another mirror, and another mirror, okay. A little living room. Now it's time to put all the drinks in the fucking fridge so they're nice and cold. Ain't shit, come up to your crib, all up in your fridge, can't pay rent. Look at what you did with the mirror.
Yeah.
What a dummy who gets scared of their own reflection. I'm bullying bitches, I don't care. Fit check. I had to keep it simple because it's hot as heck out here. What are we gonna do today?
Huh?
What are we gonna do today?
We're gonna go swim in the pool.
You know how to swim? No? So you're gonna float in the pool?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
if you drown, I'll pick you up. Y'all, I wish I caught it on camera, but once we were leaving our hotel room, a fucking dog ran in our room, and my fucking little sister and my little brother were all screaming, and they scared the shit out of that dog. That dog was all running around the room, and then the owner came and took the dog, and yeah, everybody was like screaming. It was pretty funny, but poor little dog. But I wish I got that shit on camera. That shit was funny. Oh, I shouldn't be cussing anymore, honestly, because I'm trying to get monetized and I don't want someone from YouTube to watch my videos and I just be cussing in all of them. So yeah, we're gonna have to get PG here, I guess. Literally nobody in Arizona wears masks. I don't know what the rule is here, but we're like the only weirdos that are wearing masks here. Oh, they have donkeys and horses.
Donkeys and horses. I see a horse. That's a little cactus.
We just got to the Cebolla Resort. I don't know if that's how you say it, or Cebolla, I don't know. Gonna get in the pool because it's hot as fuck. I mean, it's hot as heck. Sorry, I was in the pool. It's so hot. I don't know if you can see my family behind me. We're swimming. I can't record because my camera ain't waterproof and I'm not about to risk it because I still have to film when we get to Mexico. But yeah, this is fun. We're here at the resort drinking White Claws, being our baddest selves. Like, what? Honestly, I'm wearing shorts over my bikini bottoms because I didn't shave and she a little hairy and you could see it from my bikini, so I was like, alright, I need to put shorts on. Yeah. Here. Is that the chocolate? Just put it right here. It's already recording. She's gonna be like, man, I have to cut all this shit out. Damn it. Imagine I just called in. I would feel so bad. What the hell? Dude, what the hell? shouldn't have even done my makeup today. I didn't even know we were gonna go swimming. Like it all came off. I have a little bit of eyebrow left, but yeah, they were saying I was looking like the fucking Black Swan, so I had to wipe that shit off in the pool.
Y llevaban sus veladoras y hacían sus peticiones o yo no sé. Y mi mamá les leía cuando está prendida la vela, ella les...
Just wanted to update y'all. Oh, another thing. My brother and his girlfriend are staying with us in the hotel, but they have a separate room. And their fucking bed had bugs in it, but not bed bugs. It had like little black bugs. Like we don't know what they are. We think they might be like fleas or something, but I don't know. And yeah, so they had to switch rooms. In general, like before that, like I don't even like staying in hotels just because they feel dirty to me. Like the first night I couldn't sleep because I just felt like it felt like there was like bugs crawling on me, but there wasn't. Like I was like imagining that shit in my head, and I just felt so grossed out, and I was just like, ugh, it's so dirty, like this bed is nasty. And then yeah, my fucking brother and his girlfriend's bed had bugs in it. So yeah, I'm committing an offense right now. These ugly ass chanclas with some socks. See, look, it looks fucking creepy, and then like this carpet is not helping. Reminds me of The Shining or like American Horror Story, the hotel one with all the fucking monsters in the bed and shit. It looks like we're going to like a different like place. It looks like we're going to like a forest or something. I look busted as fuck. We made it to the tubing place. It's looking very much light. A lot of people that were here like left already to go on the buses, but yeah, I'm not gonna be able to film because this shit is not waterproof. What is up with me and like the theme of like everyone around me like will fucking drown if they're with me? Like what the hell? Also, where I'm at right now, it's called Pebble Beach. It's called Pebble Beach, and it's accurately fucking named because they weren't fucking lying. Look at all these damn pebbles. You really need like water shoes if you're gonna be around here, and plus the floor is super fucking hot. So yeah, don't even try to walk around barefoot because you're gonna burn your fucking feet. I burnt my feet yesterday at the pool. But oh my god, literally we did tubing down this river, and there were some parts where like it's very chill, like really slow and mellow, and then there were some parts where it was like super bumpy and like going really fast. And it was me and my brother, we kind of got separated, like we were all holding on to each other's tubes. It's like 10 of us in total, so we were all holding on to each other's tubes so we could stay together. And then oh my god, walking on all these rocks is tiring. We're holding on to each other's tubes so we could stay together, and then it got to like a part where it was like really fast, and then me and my brother fucking drift all the way to the left side of the river where there's like a bunch of trees and shit, and we're like trying not to like get hit by branches and shit, and then we hit like a tree, and then my tube like flips over. Like I'm about to fucking drown because it's like halfway up. It's like basically vertical and shit. And I was like, what the fuck? I was like, do I stay sitting on my tube or do I get off? And then so I got off, and like my shit flipped, and then Joshua was with me, and so he crashed into me, and then his tube and my tube are fucking stuck together, and he starts fucking drowning. His head is literally under like a bunch of moss from the river, and like the fucking current is like pulling me. So then I'm like fucking yelling his name and shit, and he's like drowning, and I'm trying to grab him. So I fucking grab him, and he grabs onto my tube, so we're both on one tube. And like, what the fuck? How does it feel to almost die? How come I have to save everybody's life in the damn water? The hell? But yeah, me and Joshua almost fucking died. Mostly Joshua, but what the fuck? And we were trying to save his fucking tube because he lost it. And then if we lose it, it's extra $30. I was like, hell no. But yeah, we got all the tubes. And like, yeah, everybody's just floating down the river on their little tubes and stuff. Super cute. And like a bunch of my family from Arizona that lives here. Or like people jumping off like the rocks and shit. I don't know how, because I would feel like I'm gonna jump straight onto a fucking rock. The water's really fucking cold, but it feels good though. There's so many people. Oh shit. Fucking drowning my mother.
This is Candy Camera. How can I help you?
Huh?
What you drinking today?
A blackberry white claw. Capri Sun.
Check this out. All American drink. What are you drinking, bro?
Strawberry Capri.
Yeah, that's the best one right there.
Seltzer.
Strawberry Capri Sun. Yeah, that's the best. You know, stay hydrated.
You suck. You're the worst
111.
cameraman.
What's up, bro?
Boo, get another profession.
Hey, what's up, man? This is me, Bodie Saint, up in the paint. Check it out, check it out. What are you talking about? I already know where I'm at. I'm at the club. We're here. Hey, a true cameraman don't get it watered. I promise you. Damn it! I got an extra one. It's called 1983.
This is the tubing place. Those are the buses that we took to get to the river and to come back. But yeah, it was $20 for a tube. I think it's pretty much free if you bring your own fucking tube. Oh my god. I got so dark. Look at the difference. It reminds me of like me when I was in like middle school or something. Mom, you want to tell the Karen story? The car lady?
Oh, at the Burger King?
Yeah, go to the
So this
store.
lady,
Let's face the mirror because it's brighter.
so this lady, I didn't see her face. I had put my hazard lights on. She got behind me and was honking. Then goes around the other side to the parking and says, "Get off the road." So Brianna flips her off. She comes
Yeah, I
out.
literally was just like, she
Yeah.
just drove away.
Then she comes out of the driveway, and we're thinking she's coming back to say some more. So Joseph pops out his car all crazy. And of course I yelled, "Joseph!" Because, you know, I don't want to spend time going to jail, trying to bail my son out of jail for no reason. And yeah, that was our Karen story in Arizona.
The road rage, even though like,
There's no traffic here.
yeah, like where were you trying to go, lady?
Imagine if she was in LA, she would die.
My god, I think my cheeks got freaking burnt. It looks like I have blush on. You probably can't tell because the lights.
Ready?
But now we're gonna go pop fireworks.
Mom, do you know how to say?
We're gonna go pop fireworks. This is Joshua. Damn, it's like we're at Disneyland and shit. Why are you running? Jaylee ran away.
Imagine it flips over.
Whoa.
You gotta press the top and shoot it.
I'm literally so fucking sore. Like, I feel like I got beat up. And I think my nose is peeling already. Feels super dry. We're going back home today before we go to Tulum. Damn, I got so dark. Like, I was supposed to get dark in Mexico, not in Arizona. What the heck? Oh, it hurts my nose when I make faces. I'm so tired. that's my outfit. It's basically been the same like this whole time because it's hot as hell and I ain't trying to wear no pants. I'm so sunburned, like it hurts to like lay down on my back. And the night I kept waking up because my back was hurting. Because I was filming, we were at the river. He does like photography and videography and shit like that. So, and he's coming to LA in a couple weeks. So we might hang out. We might do something. I don't know yet. I'm thinking. Got Dutch Bros for the first time.
Continue on North Estrella Parkway for half a mile.
This is huge for a medium. It's like a large.
Imagine I'm gonna get a large. Wired with 6 shots.
I got the Golden Eagle. It's good. It literally just tastes like caramel.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto the I-10 West ramp to Los Angeles.
And now we have like 5 hours to go home. Finally made it to California. At 7 p.m.
Wave that your camera.
Oh, I don't think I got it. We made it to Cabazon Dinosaurs. I think that's how you say it. Look at that one. It's super fucking windy right now. It doesn't want to focus. Hello. This is so cute. Oh my god, it's huge. I didn't think it was gonna be this big. It says love. Love yourself, bitch.